Hello and welcome. Today, we're exploring the Fetch.ai Framework, launched in 2017 by founders Humayun Sheikh, Toby Simpson, and Thomas Hain, a groundbreaking platform that seamlessly integrates artificial intelligence with blockchain technology to forge a decentralized digital economy where autonomous agents drive economic value. Fetch.ai empowers autonomous economic agents, or AEAs, which are intelligent, self-governing software programs acting on behalf of individuals, organizations, or devices to perform complex tasks like booking flights or reserving dinners, and create economic value autonomously. These AEAs, built using the uAgents framework, support sophisticated agent-to-agent communication via defined protocols and multi-agent systems, learning user preferences over time, such as favorite locations or budgets, and collaborating seamlessly with specialized agents for shopping or scheduling. The Agentverse, Fetch.ai's open directory and global marketplace, hosts 2.7 million agents, serving as a vibrant hub where developers can build, publish, connect, and discover agents optimized for discoverability and multi-agent collaboration. Next is the Open Economic Framework, or OEF, which you can think of as a decentralized search engine and discovery service, functioning like a modern Yellow Pages specifically designed for agents to locate services efficiently. The OEF enables agents to find relevant services, negotiate specific terms like price ranges, exact dates for hotel bookings, or delivery times, and interact securely without any central intermediaries, thus facilitating truly seamless and decentralized economic interactions. And finally, the Fetch Smart Ledger, a high-speed, scalable blockchain based on the Cosmos SDK and now integrated into the ASI network infrastructure that underpins the entire Fetch.ai system with robust security. It provides trustless settlement for all transactions using FET tokens transitioning to ASI, while supporting essential tools like COSMPY for payments, Almanac for contracts, and ASI Wallet, ensuring the security required for all economic activities within the framework. So, how does it all work together in practice? Let's consider a real-world example: booking a hotel room, a common task that showcases the power of multi-agent coordination. Imagine an agent tasked with booking a hotel room. It connects to the OEF and searches for hotel agents offering available rooms that precisely match its criteria, such as a specific location like downtown Seattle, preferred dates, and budget constraints. The agent then discovers several suitable options and initiates direct negotiations on key terms like the final price, check-in and check-out dates, or additional amenities directly with the hotel agents through secure protocols. Once a mutually agreeable deal is reached, the transaction is promptly recorded securely and transparently on the Fetch Smart Ledger, ensuring complete immutability, trust, and verifiable finality for all parties involved. Multi-agent collaboration is absolutely key to this ecosystem. For instance, one agent could efficiently book flights from Los Angeles to New York for 2 people, while another simultaneously handles hotel reservations, all working in parallel. All these diverse tasks can be orchestrated effortlessly by a personal AI like Fetch, which processes natural language requests such as plan a 4-day family trip to Seattle with walkable hotels and kid-friendly food, or organize a birthday dinner for 8 people at 7 p.m. on Saturday. Users can then easily review the detailed responses, confirmations from various agents, and make any necessary adjustments, all within a single, intuitive, and user-friendly interface that simplifies even the most complex planning scenarios. Fetch.ai has recently merged into the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, or ASI, alongside Ocean Protocol and SingularityNet, an announcement made in 2024 that marks a significant and exciting evolution in decentralized AI infrastructure. Key products emerging from this alliance, like ASI, 1. Offer specialized AI models finely tuned for agent use cases, enabling powerful personal AI guides that deliver highly tailored results based on individual user needs and preferences. Fetch Business empowers brands and SMEs to create fully verified agents, starting with comprehensive profiles and progressively adding specific capabilities tailored to serve their customers more effectively and autonomously. In summary, Fetch.ai provides the essential infrastructure for a new generation of autonomous applications, revolutionizing how we interact with technology in a decentralized world. By enabling agents to autonomously find services, negotiate deals, and transact securely with each other, it unlocks a vast world of possibilities for decentralized intelligence, innovation, and economic opportunities on a global scale.